Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, welcome to 6th class. Up to now you learned that 5th class. No, this is that 6th class first topic from that Maths IIT Foundation. Okay, what is that first concept here? That is knowing our numbers. Children, you all are having an idea about that numbers, no? Just in generally we are using numbers for counting or for money purpose like that. Okay, so you all are know about that numbers. Okay ma. Now here in 6th class the first concept is knowing our numbers. So here in this concept what we will learn? Here again we will learn about that digits. Okay, digits means what ma? Without digits there is no possibility to make a number. Okay, so what is the difference between a digit and a number? Here you will learn. And in the same way, you will learn about that. Here what is a place value, and place value in that Indian place value system, and we have that international place value system. Okay. Along with that, we will learn about that face value, successor and predecessor. Okay. These all concepts we will learn in this video. Okay ma. Just to say that what is that concept one, that is related to introduction. Okay. In that introduction, first we are having that digits. Okay, digits means what? See here children, digits means actually in generally what we are using 1, 2, 3, 4 like that numbers we are using, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, along with that 0. Except these 10 symbols, is there any other digit? Is it there in mathematics to form a number? There is no any other digit ma, just we are having that only 0 to 9, 10 digits are there. Along with that 10 digits only, by using these 10 digits only we can form a number. Okay, then what is the definition of a digit here? A single symbol. Okay, what is that? A single symbol which is used to make, used to make a numeral is called a digit. Okay ma, this is the definition of the digit. What is that? A single symbol which is used to make a numeral. Okay, to form a number we need that some digits, right? So what symbols we are using to form a number? Those symbols are called digits. Okay, now here digits are, what are those digits ma? Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally how many digits are there here? 1 to 9, 9 digits. Along with 0 we have the 10 digits. Okay, along with that these 10 digits we can form a numeral. Okay, after that 9 what number you will get ma? 9 after you will get the 10. Okay, how to write the 10? Okay, in that 10 we are having that 1 and 0. Yes or no? After that 9 number we are having the 10. Okay, just to say that how we written that, by using the digits, digits what we are having here. See that here 1 is there and here 0 is there. Okay, then here 9 after what number is there? That is 10. Okay, here say that this is a number, 10 is a number. And here 0 to 9 are called digits. By using these symbols only we can form that any number. After that 10 we are having that 11. 11 how you will write ma? By taking that 2 1 symbols. Okay, 1 1 11. After that 12. 1 2 12. Next 1 3 13. So by using these digits only no, we can form that any number. Okay, that's why we will call this one as a number. Okay, and in the same way number also known as a numeral. Number is also known as a numeral. And in the same way, this is the notation of a number. This is called a notation. Notation of a number means just here by using that symbols, what number we are framing here, what number we are making here, that is called here notation. Okay ma. Now here 0 to 9 are called digits, I told you no. Now here see that 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now here 1 to 9. If you will take that a single symbol, that gives that one particular value. Yes or no? 1 is having a particular value, 2 is having the another value, which means 2 means 2 things or something. 2 rupees, two things or something like that. And in the same way, the symbol 3 is having that another value. Okay. In this perspective, here see that here 0 is there, no ma'am. 0 is having that any value. If you will take that as 0, single symbol 0, is it having that any value? That is not having any value. If you will keep that 0 to the right side of any one of the digits from 1 to 9, then 0 will get that value. Understood? If you will keep that 0 as that left side of any digit, then there is no value to that 0. We know that condition, right? Now here see that what we will call that 0. This is called insignificant digit. Insignificant digit. And here 1 to 9 are called significant digits. Significant digits. Significant digits means which are having value. Insignificant means that doesn't have value if you will take that 0 alone. Understood, ma? So this is about that significant and insignificant. And I told you notation and number, and in the same way numeral. Okay, now here numeration is there. What is that? Numeration. What about that numeration? Numeration. Numeration means, children see that here by using that these symbols we can frame that any one of the number. So just I am writing that here 11. Okay, this is called a notation or a number or a numeral. These three names also related to that number only, no? Now here the number which we can write in words. Okay, the number which we can write in words, in word form, that is called numeration. Word form of a number. Word form of a number is called numeration, or word form of a numeral is called numeration. Okay, ma. Just to say that here 11 is that numeral. Okay, 11 is that numeral. And here written in that words 11. Okay, ma. This is called that numeration. Which one we written in words? That is called numeration. And in the same way, for example, 100 is there. We know that how to write this one. Here 100 is that numeral. And what is the numeration means? 100 is that numeration. 100. 100 is that numeration and 100 is that numeral. Understand ma, the difference between numeral and the numeration? Okay, children. After that we are having, just to say that 0 to 9 are called digits, I told you, no. Now we are having that 1 digit numbers, and by taking 2 digits we are having that 2 digit numbers. By adding that, by combining that 3 digits, then we will get that 3 digit numbers. And in the same way, by combining 4 digits, we will get that 4 digit number, and so on. Okay. Along with that, we need to learn about that how many 1 digit numbers are there, how many 2 digit numbers are there, how many 3 digit numbers are there. Okay, and so on. See that. Now here, smallest, greatest. Okay, see here, smallest 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, and so on. And in the same way, greatest 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, and so on. Okay, now here see that 1 digit number, 1 digits, where onwards we can observe that 1 digit numbers, ma? From 1 onwards. 1 to, what is the last number, last 1 digit number? That is 9 only, no? Yes. Now here, what is the smallest 1 digit number here? From which number we are starting? That is the smallest 1 digit number. So 1 is the smallest 1 digit number. Then what is that greatest 1 digit number? That is 9. Okay. Next, 2 digits. 2 digits, see here, starting number is 10. And here the greatest number is 99. 10 to 99 2 digit numbers. Now here, what is the smallest 2 digit number here? That is 10. And greatest 2 digit number is 99. Okay, and in the same way here 3 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers starting from 100 to 999. Then here what is the smallest 3 digit number here? That is 100, and greatest 3 digit number is 999. Okay, and so on. Now here see that here 1 to 9, actually how many 1 digit numbers are there in all? Here we can say that 1 digit numbers means 1 to 9. So by using that fingers or something you can say that easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally we have how many 1 digit numbers ma? 9 1 digit numbers we have that. Okay, yes, 9. And here come to that 99, 10 to 99. How many 2 digit numbers are there in all? Actually from 1 to 99 we can say that overall 99 numbers are there. Out of 99 we have that 1 digit numbers also, no? Already we calculated for that 1 digit numbers. Now here 99 minus how many 1 digit numbers are there ma here? 9. Then we will get this one as 90. 99 minus 9 is equal to 90. Then here how many 2 digit numbers are there in all? Here 90 2 digit numbers are there in all. Okay. Next here, what is the smallest 3 digit number means? That is 100. Then here 100 onwards 3 digit numbers will be started, right? Then here what is the greatest 3 digit number ma? That is 999. Which means here 999 numbers means 1 digit numbers, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers. Okay, combining these 3 together, here we are having that 999 numbers. Okay, now here how many only 3 digit numbers? Then here out of that 999 numbers, if you subtract that total 2 digit numbers and 1 digit numbers, then totally how many ma? 99 only, no? Then here 999 minus 99, which is equals to 900. Am I clear to you? Yes. Now here see that, and so on. Next, how many 4 digit numbers will be there? 4 digit numbers means 9999 minus 999. Then you will get it as 9000. Understood ma? Now here, in this way we can find that how many numbers are there, how many n digit numbers are there in all. Okay. Now here see that how many 10 digit numbers are there, how many 11 digit numbers are there, how many 12 digit numbers are there, and so on. Okay, for that purpose, here see that every time like this by taking the difference means it takes that more time. Here we have that one of the formula. What is that formula? Before that, see that here 9 is there, no? 9 we can write it as 9 into 1. Shall we write like that? 9 into 1. And 90 we can write this one as 9 into 10. 9 tens 90. And in the same way, 900 we can write this one as 9 into 100. Shall we write like this ma? Now here see that 1 digit numbers, how many 1 digit numbers are there in all? Totally 9 1 digit numbers are there. 2 digit numbers, how many numbers are there ma in all? We have that 92 digit numbers are there. 3 digit numbers, how many numbers are there in all? 3 digit numbers, 900 3 digit numbers are there. Okay. Now here see that how many numbers are there in all. Are there in 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, and so on. Okay. Now here see that here we can easily write this one as 4 digit numbers. How many digit number 4 digit numbers are there ma here? Just see that 9, 90, 3 digit numbers means 900. Then here how many 4 digit numbers are there? Easily we can say that 9000. Understood? Based on that previous one we can write like this. Okay, for example here 5 digit numbers. 5 digit numbers, how many numbers are there? Here 3 zeros, no? Then here 4 zeros. If you doesn't know that, here these all the numbers here 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit means easily we can write that. How many 100 digit numbers are there? How many 1000 digit numbers are there? How many n digit numbers are there? N means here you can take that any value, any number of digits. Understood ma? At that cases, here say that and so on, how many n digit numbers are there? How many n digit numbers are there in all? Okay, to find this one, we have that one of the formula. What is that formula? See here. 9, we can write this one as 9 into 1. Already I told you, no. And here 90, we can write this one as 9 into 10. 900, we can write this one as 9 into 10 into 10. Shall we write like this? 10 tens 100 only, no? 100 into 9 is equal to 900. Okay, ma? And in the same way, here 9 into, here 1000 means 3 zeros, no? That's why here 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens 100, 100 tens 1000. 1000 into 9 is equal to 9000. Understood? And in the same way, this one also. 9 into 4 zeros there, no? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Understood, ma? Now here say that. We can write this one as 9 into, here any tens there, ma? Here 10 there, 10, 10, 10 and so on. Here, is there any number with 10? Not there, no? 10 not there means, here we can write this one as 10 to the power of 0. Shall we write like this? Actually in that exponents, we have that any number power 0 is equal to 1. And in the same way, a not equal to 0. 0 power 0, that one undefined. That's why any number power 0 is always equals to 1. In that next concept, exponent concept, that is one of the law of exponent. Okay, ma. Depends on that at the place of a, here I taken that 10. Understood? We will discuss about that last in that concept only. Okay. Now here see that. 9 into, how many tens are there? Only one 10 is there. That's why 9 into 10 to the power of 1. And here 9 into, how many tens are there, ma? Here 2 tens are there. And here how many tens are there? 9 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay. And in the same way here 9 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay. And so on. Children, see that here the first one we can write this one as 9 into 10 to the power of 1 minus 1. Shall we write like this, ma? 1 minus 1. And in the same way we can write this one as 9 into 10 to the power of 2 minus 1. Okay. Next, 9 into 10 to the power of 2, how we can write? 3 minus 1. Understood? And in the same way, here 9 into 10 cube means 10 to the power of 4 minus 1. Here we can write this one as 9 into 10 to the power of 5 minus 1. Children, just observe that here 1 minus 1, just minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, that is in common. Where we can see that difference here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what are those numbers here? Here 1 means 1 digit number. Here 2 means a 2 digit number. 3 and here 3. Here 4 digit number. Here 5 digit number. Am I clear, ma? And so on. Now here number of digits. Finally here 1, 2, 3, 4 are number of digits. Understood, ma? Now here n digit numbers are there means 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. This is the formula we have to apply. To n digit numbers, n is equal to here number of digits. Since n is equals to here number of digits. Understood, children? Now here how to apply this formula. Okay, I will tell you that. See here, ma. How many 4-digit numbers are there in all? Are there in all? Then what is that formula here? 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. 9 into 10 to the power of, here n is equals to how much, ma? N is equal to 4. Okay, just n is equal to 4 minus 1. 9 into 10 to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 9 into 10 to the power of 3 is there means how many times we can multiply 10 here? 10 we can multiply here 3 times. 9 into 10 into 10 into 10, 1000, which is equals to 9000. Totally how many 4-digit numbers are there, ma? Here 9000. Just to see that previous also we got here 9000 only, no? 9000 4-digit numbers are there. Okay, by applying the formula also we will get the same number, and by using this method also we are getting the same value. Okay, just if you remember this formula, then easily you will get that the values, ma. Okay, another example say that. How many 9-digit numbers are there in all? How many 9-digit numbers? Formula, what is that? 9 into 10 to the power of, at the place of n is equals to 9 here. Then 9 minus 1, 9 into 10 to the power of 8, that is sufficient. Okay, 9 after 8 zeros will come. Understood ma? So this is the formula to find that how many n digit numbers are there in all. So if they will ask that how many 5 digit numbers are there, n is equal to 5. How many 100 digit numbers are there, n is equal to 100. How many 1000 digit numbers are there in all, just n is equal to 1000. Understood ma? So by this way find that how many numbers are there in all. Understood? Okay children, what we learn here in this video, we learned up to that to find how many numbers are there in all, that is related to 1 digit number, 2 digit number and so on. Okay, in that next continuation video what we will discuss ma, we will discuss about that place value, face value. Okay, thank you all.